Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install or set up Kali Linux 2025.3 by using pre-built images in VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Kali Linux official website and download virtual machine for VMware Workstation. It is kali.org. Hit enter. Then click on download or get Kali. Both are same. Now installer images means ISV images. So click on virtual machines for pre-built images. Click on it. See here we have the VMware and VirtualBox, Hyper-V and Chemo. Okay, in this video we are going to download for VMware. So we have direct method and torrent. I am going to download by using direct method. Click on this down arrow. See download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 3.4 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. Okay, once download is completed, then go to downloads directory. See here we have the Kali Linux 2025.3 VMware zip file. So cut this one, then go to the path where you have the enough space to install or set up virtual machine for Kali Linux 2025 by using pre-built images. Paste that zip file. Now extract this zip file. Install 7-zip or WinRAR or any zip software and extract. See extraction completed. Go to this folder. Again go to this. See here we have the list of the VMDK files. Okay. So keep them here only. Now open VMware Workstation. Now open a virtual machine or file and select open. Both are same. Then go to the folder where we kept those extracted files. Select this VMX file, then click on open. See this is just virtual machine name. Okay, and see here memory is 2 gigabytes, processes 4. So I want to edit this. Right click on it, edit or edit virtual machine settings. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals 2. Click on OK. See here in the description, these are the default values like Kali, username is Kali, password is Kali. If you want to modify or provide other description, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Now provide the username and password. The default username is Kali, password also same. Hit enter to log in. Now open terminal, /etc os-release. See we have set up 2025.3. Okay, the first step after connecting to Kali Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of this Kali user, that is same Kali. This will take time. See here we have the all applications. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install or set up Kali Linux 2025.3 by using pre-built virtual machines on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.